Welcome everyone to yet another College Dunia Connect Thoughtful Leaders. This is a platform where we bring top management from various colleges and universities and understand their views on education. This is an initiative to bridge the gap between the vision of top management and the students. This is to help them in making informed career choices. Today we have with us Dr. Sadanand Guhe. He is a professor and head of chemical engineering department and the coordinator of GNEC Research Center. He holds integrated PhD in chemical engineering from the University of Nottingham, England, UK, and has expertise in advanced process control, modeling, and simulation, nanotechnology. Dr. Guhe has presented his research work internationally and has a combined experience of over 15 years in IT, academics, and research development in chemical engineering. Welcome to the platform, sir.
Thank you very much. Thanks for having me.
So, in order to begin this conversation, sir, this interaction, can you briefly tell us what programs are being offered in the academic year 2021 at the institution?
I will speak mostly about the chemical engineering. So, under MGM University, chemical engineering is offering a 4-year undergraduate program called BTech in chemical engineering. And we offer, under this program, we offer regular chemical engineering degree. Along with, we offer honors degree in which students can choose advanced courses so that they will get chemical engineering honors degree. Plus, we are also offering a minor degree also. So we do have 2 streams in which we can offer minor degrees. One is entrepreneurship and another stream is biotechnology. And our course is designed considering the model structure defined by All India Council of Technical Education, and we have taken the inputs from our stakeholders. So we have designed our program as per the industry needs. So basically, basic chemical engineering degree, plus if someone wants honors degree, we do have, students do have option, but at the same time, if they don't want honors, they want minor degree, along with the basic chemical engineering degree, we do have offer for them.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, another question. MGM University is known for its learning outcome-based programs and future-ready programs. So can you tell us how the curriculum is designed to meet this need?
Yes, definitely. Chemical engineering programs curriculum at MGM University is designed based on outcome-based education, where we ensure that students get knowledge, skills, and attitude, which is must for them to be successful in their professional career. All right, we have proper teaching and learning methodology in place to do regular analysis of outcomes of courses, and we emphasize on hands-on experience, which will strengthen their theoretical knowledge, which our faculty member cover in regular lecture in a classroom. So to achieve this, we have incorporated internship, we have incorporated mini projects, we have incorporated major projects in our curriculum, and also core elective courses as per the industry needs. And the benefit of this, what we are offering here in core elective subjects is that we can change as per the industry needs. Suppose some technology is newly introduced into the industry, we can change our syllabus and we can incorporate that particular course in our curriculum. And in addition to that, we do have internship. We do have 2 types of internship. One is after second year, they go in a small scale industry for 2 weeks, just to get them introduced to the industry culture, not necessarily chemical engineering, but the objective is that they should get the exposure to hands-on experience, how industry culture is and what are the functionalities in the industry. All right. So in final semester, we send students away for 6 months in plant training so that they get full exposure to professional work culture in a chemical process industry. And the intention or objective behind is that they get full exposure how industry works. So before they start working, they are fully prepared. So that's why we send them out for 6 months. And in major projects and mini projects, they do get full hands-on experience. So even if we do have tie-ups with industry, and if they have some technical issues or student take up as their project, they work on it, they provide the solution. So basically, outcome is nothing but how well you understand out of what you have studied. So that is our objective. And as far as our chemical laboratories are concerned, we do have fully equipped core chemical engineering laboratories. But I wanted to highlight two main laboratories which will make our students industry ready. One is the process simulator laboratory, where students do carry out various simulations, which is need of the industry, because every industry has got their own simulators and they do trial and error so that their product is more refined and pure. So that is must for every industry, and we do have that facility in chemical engineering department, and we do train students on it. And another laboratory we do have is process automation, because in industry, when students start working, they are introduced to the plants which are fully automated. So in chemical engineering department, we do have pilot plant which is in collaboration with a company called Anderson Hauser, which is a Swiss company. So we do have in-house that plant. We train students. So this process simulator and process automation, which is the need of the training students should have. So industry prefer students if they are already trained on this particular two aspects. So we do provide that. So what is the output of these two labs? I only highlighted these two labs. We do have other labs also. We prepare students to be future ready, remember. So during their program, we train them, we make them future ready so that when they complete the program, they hit the ground running when they start work. So we prepare future ready students, and at the same time, we see that the outcomes of the programs are fulfilled, and we monitor it continuously.
Thank you, sir. That is a very insightful feedback that you've shared with us. And adding on to the question here is, would you like to share with us the the performance with respect to placements, and who all are the major recruiters with respect to chemical engineering course? Can you share some insights on that?
Yeah, sure. We do have special training and placement cell, and we do have training and placement officer, which looks after not only chemical engineering but all disciplines. And that officer, that coordinator, is continuously in touch with various industries as soon as we come to know where are the openings. So point is, we do have separate cell, and we do have a team which works 24/7. As far as the companies which do come for an interview, mostly we do have alumni all across the world holding a very big position. So whenever they do have opening, they send out, they share with us. Apart from that, the industries which are in and around Aurangabad, they do visit us regularly for a campus and placement.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Sir, I'm sure mitigation and prevention measures for COVID-19 are being kept at a priority at the college as well as the university. Would you like to mention some of the action points that have been implemented?
Oh yes, certainly. So we have heavily invested in developing the infrastructure considering this COVID situation. So we do have online platforms. We do conduct online theory lectures. We do conduct online practicals also. And we have kept it very interactive. So we are interacting with students. We are giving them exposure to certain videos. This is apart from regular lectures, we do interact with them on one-to-one basis, theory during the official time, outside the official time. So that is very helpful. Another thing I would like to highlight for practical, to conduct the practicals, we do have tie-up with IIT Bombay for a virtual labs. So they do have platform. It is called Virtual Lab, and we do have tie-ups. So we conduct our practicals using that platform. So the benefit of virtual lab is that students do actually see how the process is happening. They do see, of course, on screen, but they understand it very well. And in that support, the faculty members also do give inputs. So we have established a very well infrastructure to carry out our online teaching learning in this difficult situation.
Thank you, sir. Thank you. Sir, not just as the head of the chemical engineering department, but also as a professor, what would you like to suggest, or what your message would be to students who are aspiring to be a part of the college?
I would like to suggest them first visit our website, visit the infrastructure of chemical engineering department, go through the infrastructure of MGM University. You don't need to run away from Aurangabad. Or those who are outside Maharashtra, just have a word with any one of faculty members or any of professor. I'm sure you will be happy by taking decision to join MGM University and then the chemical engineering. So we have developed our infrastructure. We have invested so much. Just to give you an example, we have recently developed our incubation innovation research center. We have invested a lot, and that is for what? That is for the students. So basic aim is, if you really want to learn the theory from practical point of view, chemical engineering department of MGM University is the place for you. Come visit anytime. You can call me. Talk to any professor, you won't be disappointed.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for this session, sir. It was quite an insightful session, and we got to learn much more about the engineering department and how MGM University is focused on making life at the university a more practical driven approach rather than just theory. Thank you for this session, sir. It was a pleasure talking with you.
Thank you very much. Stay safe, everyone. Thank you.